Hello, folks. It's Bill from One Betty Bill. I got a surprise at the door today. A package came from U.S. Post Office. A good sized package. It says it weighs 47 pounds. My son sent me a text. Says, "Hey, Dad, check out the front door. You got a delivery." Sure enough, a Bertello's Outdoor Pizza Oven. Yeah, outdoor pizza oven. Sounds great. So we're going to unbox this baby and see what they're all about. I know he got himself one, about a month ago. And they used it and they love it. Cooks the pizza in about 3 minutes. Outdoors, of course, you can hook it to the gas grill, put wood chips in it, or use charcoal. There's different ways you can use it. Quick and easy. So let's unbox this baby, see what it's about. Put her on the table here. The camera set up a little bit here. All right. So we open it up. First thing you see, Bertello pizza oven plus propane gas burner plus wood tray for gas burner plus pizza peel combo. That's what it's all shown, what it's all about. Open that box. You got a user manual, a gas burner user manual. Come in handy. Apparently you can use it a couple of different ways. Let's see what this is shoved in the side here, if it's anything. Oh. Looks like a pizza box. Okay. Uh-huh. A nice big box. Some wood chips. Well, it used to pack her in, but wood chips to get that wood burning, fire going. Aha. Pizza peel. I'm going to set this thing down here. I'll try not to screw up too much. Very nice. Always wanted one of these. Let's see. Maybe I should read directions first, but you know me, I never read directions first. I do everything but. And now you turn it, snap her back in place, and tighten her up. Always wanted one of these. Very nice. Very nice. I can handle that. Pizza's ready, man. Pizza's ready. Okay. See what else we got in there. We got the wood chips. We got the pizza peel. Oh my God. Oh, great. Love it. They even have an infrared thermometer, a handheld, so you can shoot in the oven at the pizza, see what the temperature is. The back of the oven, front of the oven. They say the back of the oven gets 900 and even up to maybe 1,000 degrees. It gets hot. Where the center of the oven, pizza's maybe about 600 degrees. Anyway, it's really hot. I'm glad that came with it. I've seen that in a video. Looks like a pillow. We'll open that in a little bit. Aha, that must be the guts of the thing. That's the burner itself. The burner and the hose and the gauge to hook onto your propane tank. And then oh, that's the baby you set the wood chips in. Maybe not. I have no idea. I've never used one. But anyway, the gas burner goes inside of that. Slides right in there. See what else? Huh. Caution. Keep lid in place when igniting the gas burner. Apparently the lid for it on it. A pair of tongs. Maybe to move your charcoal around or your logs. I don't know. Maybe even the pizza. We'll find out once we start to read directions. Oh, 4 little screws and an Allen wrench. Come in handy for something. Another layer. Throw that baby down. And there she is, the pizza oven. We'll set this down. And get that baby out of there. Oh, they got a box. Oh, this is the heavy part. We said it was 40-some pounds. There she is. The oven itself. Let's move some of this back here. That's the oven. I guess from here we're going to have to read directions how to get this stuff out of here. On the back side, looks like maybe yeah, they packed it right. Oh, the pizza stone, that's the heavy part. That's what's in there. Bertello Pizza Stone. Nice. Lots of good baking on there. The rest of this cardboard off here. See what else we have here. Another box inside here. Come on, baby. Ah, there's the handles. They'll come in handy for something. There we go. sure what's missing other than the pizza. This is what you must put your wood chips in and let them burn. Slides in the back some way. We'll find out. We're just unboxing here in this video. 4 little pegs here, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, I believe. Yeah, let's put the pizza stone goes on. Watch the video on a little bit of this. So here's a little inside. But that's the pizza oven. Where the burner goes in, the back side. Says you don't want to touch the top of this. It gets hot, 600 to 900 degrees. The base itself is fine. Set on a table. Pull this box out. See what it says. There you have it. Bertello's Pizza Oven plus propane gas burner. Plus wood tray for gas burner, plus the pizza peel combo. Just unboxed her all. Everything's laying out here. One little package, I'm not sure yet. Let's open it up and see what we have. Oh! Beautiful cover for it. Great. Thank you, Rod. Thank you, Travis. We'll get years of enjoyment out of this, I'm sure. One of my favorite foods, homemade pizza. Thanks again, guys. That's, again, quick and easy. How do you unpack your Bertello Pizza Oven? You have a great day.